Hello and welcome, my dear friends. Today, our topic is Intro to Content Marketing. Don't forget to see this video till end so that we can cover the complete content marketing in this video as an introduction. Thank you for subscribing us, and if you are new to this channel, just subscribe us. Let's get started. Friends, as you all know, our topic is Intro to Content Marketing. So, with so many business operating online, standing out from the crowd is essential. Content marketing is a great way to help you attract your audience attention. In this lesson, we will look at why content marketing is important for you and how you can use it to engage with your audience. We will also introduce some best practices to help you create your own content campaigns. Content marketing is based on the creation and sharing of online material like videos, blogs, and social media posts. It's designed to generate interest in a company, products, or services by capturing people's attention. It can also help improve sales by directing traffic to your website, increasing awareness for your brand, and building trust and recognition amongst your audience. Let's journey back to the days before the web, when TV, print, and radio are dominated. Two-way interaction was not possible between brands and customers, and audience received advertising message whether they wanted them or not. These days, people can pick and choose when they are engaged, and content marketing allows businesses to connect with their audience like never before. Imagine you run a dog walking business and want to use content marketing to increase awareness of the company and drive more traffic to your website as well. To achieve this, you could publish engaging content about dogs on your website, blog, and promote it across the company's social media platforms to increase readership. Great content campaigns can be based on understanding who you are writing for. Try considering the challenges or pain points your customers face and then tailor your content to these insights. For the dog walking business customers, for example, pain points could include a lack of time, bad weather, or simply wanting to keep their pet happy. Next, let's cover some effective content marketing practices with you. The key to success is creating a content marketing campaign that succeeds in doing three things majorly. 1. Answering your audience questions. 2. Providing something for value. And 3. Keeping them wanting more. Here are a few best practices that to keep in mind as you put together your own strategy. Take the time to get to know your audience better. Look at which accounts they follow on social media to get a sense of their likes and interests. Experiment to keep the best types of content for reaching your audience and don't be afraid to use multiple formats, etc. Choose the right place to publish your content and make sure you are talking directly to your audience. Throw away the business speak and stock responses and prioritize natural language to interact with your audience. Make your content unique, interesting, and exciting. Use engaging headlines, eye-catching pictures, and informative language to capture your audience retention as well. By keeping these pointers in mind, when creating a content marketing strategy, you can boost your potential reach and strengthen your presence online. There are two reasons why we have promotions content. One is because it lets us engage with the customers. And 2, more importantly, it lets us share something we are passionate about it with customers who are equally passionate about these things as well. We have a mixture of equipment blogs and reviews. We do information article on driving techniques, and we do general location based updates on what diving conditions are like, which species we have discovered, and so on and so forth. When starting to write your own content marketing strategy, remember the 3 keys to success we mentioned earlier. Focus on answering your audience needs, create content they will find valuable, and keep them with you engaged enough so that they will visit you in the future for more content. Now, try brainstorming how content marketing can be used to engage your audience online and consider what goals it could help you achieve. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the like button of this video and share on everything. You have links for Dailymotion and Shutterstock for our stock photography, etc. Thank you very much. Have a good day.